This is yours Maths with SRN. Today we discussed about subtraction trick by using Vedic mathematics. Now we have two cases, direct subtraction and borrowing subtraction. We know the direct subtraction, just we see the borrowing subtraction without borrowing a digit. Just observe, these two are some examples of subtractions. Actually we perform a subtraction from right to left, but now in this time we made subtraction from left to right. Okay, first of all we discuss about the steps follow for subtraction. Observe friends, this is from left to right. First one is subtract 1 from the most left digit. From left to right, subtract 1 from the first digit. That means 9 minus 1. The next one, subtract the first digit of second row from the remaining digit. That means 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. The next one is all from 9. From this, all from 9 but last from 10. All from 9 but last from 10. Just friends, without performing a subtraction, without doing subtraction, just we can subtract any number from any number in 2 seconds. Then add the given digit in first row. For better understanding, we discussed these two examples. Friends, observe here 9 lakhs minus 2,37,542. First of all, subtract 1 from the first left digit. Then subtract 2 from the remaining number. Yes, 9 minus 1, 6, 6. 9 minus 1, 8, 8 minus 2, 6. Then all from 9, these are all from 9, last from 10. Observe friends, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 plus 0, 6. 9 minus 7, 2, 2 plus 0, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 2, 8. Friends, there is a small trick other than this, except this case. 9 minus 1, 8, 8 minus 2, 6. 3. Mitra and Paramamitra. 9 is Mitra, 10 is Paramamitra. These are all just 3. How much can we add to make it 9? 3 plus 6, 7 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 2 plus 8, 10. This is the trick. Just observe the steps. 9 minus 1 is equals to 9 minus 1, 8, 8 minus 2, 6. Next friends, yes, 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 2, 8. This is the example. Let us see another example. All from 9, last from 10. Friends, observe here. What can we do first? Yes. 7 minus 1. First of all, subtract 1 from most left digit in first row. And what is the result? 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Yes, right, 4 is here. Next friends, all from 9. These are all from 9. Last from 10. These are all from 9. Last from 10. So 9 minus 8. 1. 1 plus 2. Yes. 9 minus 8. Then add a resulting number to first row. That is 3. Just friends, 8 Mitra is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 7 Mitra is 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Yes. Then 9 Mitra is 0. 9 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 3. Yes, 3. Next, 9 Mitra is 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Yes. 8 Mitra is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 plus 6, 7. Next friends, last from 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Yes, these are very easy, friends. This is one case. That means observe here, these are all digits, not more than 10. That means less than 10. These are all, these subtractions are less than 10. If you subtract these digits from 9 and add the corresponding digit, if the result is 2-digit number, what can we do? We observe that case only. We follow same rules. Subtract first digit from 10 and the remaining all from 9 and add the value to its corresponding digit in first row. But in this case, if it is 2-digit number, for example, observe here, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. What can we do? Yes, right, 2 is here, right, 1 is here. Yes, subtract 1 from the leftmost digit first row and subtract its corresponding digit second row, and the result is in. Friends, now we can do another sum where we subtract the digits. The result is 2-digit number. For example, observe here, friends, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So the result is 2-digit number. In this case, what can we do? In this particular case, this type of questions, we perform subtraction from right to left, friends, from right to left, and the remaining process is same. Subtract 1 from this 6 and the result minus 5. Next, these are all from 9, last from 10. Just observe, last from 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 plus 5, 9. Or 6 Paramamitra, yes, 6 plus 4, 10, 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. The unit digit is 4 plus 5 is 9. Next, observe, friends, 9 minus 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Or Mitra of 9 is 0. 0 plus 2, 2. No problem, this is 2. Next, 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6. Mitra of 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. Yes, this is the 2-digit number. Then right unit digit is here. But what about 1? Yes, 1 is carry forward but not carry forward. Perform first this 9 minus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. And 1 is added to the 10. Yes, observe here, friends. 9 minus 4. 4 of Mitra is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 next. Right unit digit 1 is here. Carry forward. This is carry forward. That means, friends, observe here. 1 from the first number. 6 minus 1 is 5. Yes, 5 minus 5, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So this digit is 1. Friends, I think this is very easy. So observe, friends, all from 9 but last from 10. All from 9 but last from 10. And in this particular case, if carry forward, for example, 10 minus 6, 4, 4 plus 5. 9 minus 9, 0 plus 2. 9 minus 6 plus 6, 12. 1 is here. 1 is here. And 9 minus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1. Next, 6 minus 1, 5 minus 5, 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is very easy, I think. Thank you for watching this video. It was Maths with SRN. Keep watching.